Hello, so this is our MMB wireless CarPlay adapter. So it's a wireless adapter plus, or 2.0 as you can call it. So what this does is makes your CarPlay wireless and allows for wireless mirror linking function, as well as a USB flash play function. So you can play HD movies or high quality music videos as well. So I'll plug it in and show you how it looks like. Simply plug into your original CarPlay USB port. USB-A and USB-C are supported. Wait around 10 to 15 seconds and a new menu will show. So this is a Honda Civic 2019, I believe. Compatibility list you can ask for a compatibility list as well. So this is our main menu for the USB dongle for wireless CarPlay Plus. It's very simple and intuitive. And this is wireless CarPlay. This is the USB flash drive, and this is the wireless mirror linking. So now I'll show you some apps. And now I'll show you some functions. So first off is the wireless CarPlay function. Simply click into the icon and connect new iPhone for setting up the first time. And on your iPhone, go into general settings and then general and then CarPlay. And then look for the name as shown on the screen. So in this case it's a K2NV, Smart K2NV. Click on it, let it load for a while, and then it'll have some prompts. Accept them all, and then allow, just simply accept them all. And it'll show a loading screen. And once this is normal, it'll go back to the original car interface. That's normal because the device has to boot up the CarPlay function. Wait 10 seconds and wireless CarPlay will be connected. So after you waited around 10 to 15 seconds, your wireless CarPlay interface will show like so. So all your original applications will show like it's as if it's a wired connection. So whatever you used to before with a wired connection, it'll show on this wireless interface as well, like so. And it's very simple to go back to the main menu. Simply click on MediaCast, and you're back into the main menu. So now I'll show you the wireless mirror linking function, which is called PhoneCast on the interface. Click into it. So here we have a YouTube Chromecast function. So you open your YouTube and then you click on the AirPlay function and you can directly mirror link your YouTube video right here. I'll show you the phone screen mirror linking, which is mirror linking your entire phone. So if you swipe left and right, it'll show that on the screen as well. So here, set up your hotspot with the phone you want to mirror link wirelessly. So now that's connected, go onto your phone, iPhone, go into your control center, click on the name that's on the screen, and you mirror link within seconds, like so. And so the button on the steering wheel to decrease and increase volume works as well.
这是干什么？现在48寨大鱼当前。
So that's the wireless mirror linking function. Simply press back again, and you're in the main menu, like so. And then when you're done using the device, you can click into the car, and you can click back into the Apple CarPlay to go back, like so. All very interconnected. And there's a U drive function where you plug in your USB drive with movies or music, and you can directly play that on your screen as well. And there's some functions here for you to play around with, and Wi-Fi setting right here. And that's as simple as it gets. This is the wireless adapter Plus. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.